Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SysOps Administrator Associate is: how do you optimize performance for Amazon DynamoDB databases? Your answer should be: performance for Amazon DynamoDB databases can be optimized by selecting appropriate partition keys and sort keys for even distribution of workload, designing efficient table schemas, using DynamoDB Accelerator DAX for caching read requests, and enabling adaptive capacity to handle unpredictable workloads. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Elastic Beanstalk environment tiers and how do they differ? Your answer should be: AWS Elastic Beanstalk supports two environment tiers: web server environment tier for web applications and worker environment tier for background processing tasks. Web server environment tier provides load balancing, auto-scaling, and web server configuration, while worker environment tier is optimized for long-running background tasks. Our next interview question is: how do you monitor and troubleshoot performance issues in Amazon EC2 instances? Your answer should be: performance issues in Amazon EC2 instances can be monitored and troubleshooted using tools like Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring instance metrics, CloudWatch logs for logging and analyzing application logs, AWS Systems Manager for viewing instance performance and configuration, and third-party monitoring tools for deeper insights. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Cost Explorer and how does it help with cost analysis? Your answer should be: AWS Cost Explorer is a tool that allows you to visualize, analyze, and manage your AWS costs and uses over time. It helps with cost analysis by providing customizable reports, cost breakdowns by service or resource, cost for forecasts, and cost saving recommendations to optimize your AWS spending. Our next interview question is: how do you implement data encryption for Amazon S3 buckets? Your answer should be: data encryption for Amazon S3 buckets can be implemented by enabling server-side encryption using AWS Key Management Service KMS managed keys or customer-provided keys, enabling bucket policies to require encryption for objects, and using bucket policies to restrict access to encrypted objects. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Lambda destination and how does it facilitate asynchronous invocation? Your answer should be: AWS Lambda destination is a feature that allows you to configure destination for asynchronous invocations of Lambda functions. It facilitates asynchronous invocation by enabling you to specify a target for processing invocation results such as Amazon S3, Amazon SQS, or AWS Lambda functions for processing asynchronous function results. If you are preparing for any AWS based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.